Isabella. Damn it, it's getting bigger. Look at this, almost golf ball size. Shit. Oh. No broken windows yet. Yeah, you're parked under the trees. You're smart. Oh my God. Wow. Holy shit. I know, sweetie. Oh my God. Oh. Look at the size of that thing. Wowzer. I hate hail. Oh my God, this is tearing everything up. That's my little sweetie. Yes, look at you. Oh, you're so wet. My poor girl, I know. My poor sweetie. Holy mackerel. That sucked. Let's go see the damage. Yeah, we know. Maybe not so bad. No broken windows. Nothing too seriously dented. I'm a happy guy. It's a nice farm. Isabella, ice cubes. Ice cubes. That's my girly girl. Chucky. Yo, Char. Hi, big fella. Too much, man, wasn't it? Yes. That was crazy. Yes! Even Walter thought so. Yes! YouTube alert. Hail sucks. Wow. Too weird.